This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
Number 51, how to make 100% sure you achieve your goal, part 1. The key to achieving your goals is adding as much accountability to the goal as possible. Now, if you make a goal and you only say it to yourself, then you're a lot less likely to follow through and actually do it. If you make it public or let it be known to a few people close to you, friends, family, maybe a coworker, maybe a neighbor, depending on what kind of goal it is, you're going to add a layer of accountability. Now, what this does for you as a benefit, as something that's going to help you get across to where you want to be, is it's going to help you and force you to actually do what you set out to do. Next time you see that person, next time you talk to that person, they're definitely going to bring it up. Well, how is that goal going? How is that task that you wanted to accomplish that you told me about? And if the thing is going good, then you're going to be bragging. You're going to be like, yes, it was great. It's perfect, so on and so forth. But if it wasn't going the way you wanted and you haven't done what you're supposed to do, it's going to make it a very difficult conversation. So next time you have a goal and you want to achieve it, make it public, let people be known. You can post about it on Facebook, tweet about it with Twitter, LinkedIn, so on and so forth, but make it public. Let's go through an example here so you better understand this concept. This is pretty simple with making it public. What you're basically doing is you're just making it public. So here's an example with Facebook. So let's say I commit to, let's say in this case you're wanting to quit smoking. If you see me smoke, then I allow you to slap me in the face. Perfect, right? Starting today. Well, I don't smoke, but this would be an example of you trying to quit smoking. So I commit to quitting smoking. You're making it public. You're posting on Facebook. Your friends are going to see it. Next time they see you, if you're smoking, you're going to get smack in the face. This is an example, but you can use the same idea here. And then just click post.